It depends on which one is.
Wig that I'm going to be installing, the 40-inch butts down blonde wig. I swear I gotta say it like that every time. But this is the HD lace part Remy Touch wig by Motown Tress Premium Collection, and here it is. And I got this for $55 from the beauty supply store. I have not had a lot of experience with Motown Tresses. My first unit from them was the copper or orange ombre bob that I just had. If you haven't watched if you don't follow me on Instagram, you don't know, or if you didn't see my last vlog, that's the unit that I'm wearing, and I actually really like their unit so far. So I'm excited about that, and this is 40 inches. So just if you haven't watched any of my wig, my unit videos prior, I have braids under this, like basic straight backs. I do not do the ball cap method for synthetic units. I don't see the purpose of it. And so what I'll do is I'm going to take some witch hazel just to clean like the front hairline, just so it's better for my adhesive to stick to my skin basically. So I'm just gonna take some, and I usually keep this cotton pad because if I get like extra glue somewhere, like I could use the same cotton pad just to remove it. And I'm going to be using two different adhesives. One is the liquid gold bowl hold adhesive gel, and then the Eben Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray, the Extreme Firm Hold Supreme. So I use both of these. I'll start with this, a layer of this, and then I'll go in with a spray of this. I actually need to go get my blow dryer. Blow drying is like one of the most important parts of installing any wig, because if it's the glue or whatever you're using is not dry or tacky when you're trying to apply a wig, all it's going to do is keep sliding back, and it's just going to be like slip and slide records. So you do not want to do that. You do want to blow dry each step that you take with applying like layers of glue, and even when you have it on there, you want to blow dry with your band on. So you'll see, I'll get more into that. So let me just go get my blow dryer and I'll be right back. So I just want to show you babes just how this unit is constructed. So it is 3 combs, 2 in the front, 1 in the back. It is like the adjustable straps back here. And it is, I think they call this the T lace. So it's not like I can do any part anywhere. It's not like a free parting unit. It's only that middle part, which is fine with me. And yeah, that's basically it on that. What I'm going to do is apply some lace tint on. I use this Red by Kiss, and this is in the light brown. I got this from my local beauty supply store. So I do like using this just in the part area so it can blend. So then you want to put it halfway on. That makes it easier when you put the glue and you're ready to pull it. It's so much easier just to pull it up and place it where you need to place it, rather than trying to put it on, hairs all over the glue. You should already like kind of have it on your head. So woo, this is my first time trying it on, y'all. Ooh, okay, so we're gonna have to fix mama up. First thing I noticed, I have these, my head big, y'all. So I have the adjustable straps way too tight. This is really pretty though. I'm mad that I can't, like, y'all can't see the whole thing. I'm definitely going to have pictures of like my whole body and videos of my whole body. This is so cute. And it's long, but it's not like too long like I thought it was going to be. All right, so I'm going to take this off, and I am going to have to apply some more lace tint or whatever you call it in the part area. So yeah, Maria, I don't know why you put this all the way up here. No, you got a big head. So I'm just going to adjust the straps here in the back. Okay. I mean, it comes... Ooh. Let me pull this cap up. It comes okay. But we're going to get this flat. So definitely have your hot comb or your wine curler. You could flatten this with the wine curler as well. But all right, so let me stop talking. Let me push this back just like this, and then you can just like
All right, babe, so this is the end of the video, and I decided to just do a quick voiceover. This 40-inch synthetic wig was so beautiful. I love that it wasn't too shiny, but it wasn't dull either. I did go over the top quite a few times. You see me with the mousse, with the wax stick, and then with the spritz, because I wanted it as flat as possible. I also like the way the baby hairs came out, y'all. I be struggling with the baby hairs, but I feel like I did my thing. As I only wore this for 2 days, it tangled a lot, and I couldn't tell because if it was my outfit, which was a sequin dress, or was it that my nails, I had the junk nails on, so everything was just getting caught in this wig. So I am going to give it another chance. However, just to be upfront, y'all, it did tangle and it shed a lot. But look, it's 40 inches for $50. I mean, let me hush. But thank y'all for watching.